Hey, Cook Chef Kendra here, and today we're making a 4 cheese, spinach, and artichoke dip. So let's do what we do and make it happen. Okay, we're gonna start off with some Parmesan. And I'm just gonna cut it into small bits. You can use just about any kind of Parmesan you want, except for the kind in the can. Use your favorite Parmesan. So good. I could literally just sit here and eat Parmesan cheese as a snack all by itself. Yummy, guys. Love it. Dang, I'm good, guys. That's just how much I needed. Let me set this aside. Next up, I have some Gruyere. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to break into the packaging. Doesn't it feel like that's what we have to do these days? We have to literally break into the packaging. Let's see how good I do this time. I think I need this amount. And I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces just like before. We're melting this cheese. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is good too. Rich, slightly salty. I find that Gruyere melts really well. I might have overshot it this time, guys. Gruyere overboard. Let's see. I want to fill this cup. Little too much. I'll fix that. Yeah, that's what I want. Next up is our quartered artichoke hearts. This is about a 14-ounce can, and we're gonna open it up. And we're gonna drain off the liquid. Now I'm gonna take these drained artichoke hearts, get them on my cutting board. And I'm gonna give them a chop. Now I'm chop them into tiny little bits, just a rough chop. We want them small enough that they'll fit on our tortilla chip, or piece of bread, or whatever delicious thing we're gonna dip them with. How you guys doing today? Hope you all are having a great day. And it's really soft. So I'm gonna take this cream cheese and I'm just gonna break it up into knobs. Just like that. Now you want to make sure that your cream cheese is room temperature, softened. You don't want to use it right out of the refrigerator. It will be hard to incorporate into the dip. And we don't want that, do we? Guys, we added some roasted garlic Parmesan Alfredo sauce to this pot. Next thing we're gonna do is add our cream cheese. And we're gonna start stirring that in. You know how we do, let's get our stir on. Now we want to stir this over medium heat until this is melted in and smooth. This will be a good time to hit that notification bell and subscribe. Now I'm gonna add the Parmesan cheese. Get that in there just like so. Start stirring and melting that in. And the Gruyere. And the last of our cheeses, the mozzarella. So we have cream cheese, mozzarella, Parmesan cheese, and Gruyere in this dip. That's how we do, son. Melt all these cheeses together until it's creamy and smooth. I'm also going to add about a 4 cup of water. Now at this stage, I'm going to add some chopped spinach. Thawed. And we're going to stir that in. Okay, now for the artichoke hearts. Get them guys in there. And we're gonna stir those in this beautiful dip. Now, if your dip is a little too thick for you, you can add a little milk, stir in a little milk. Serve this hot. And it keeps for about 5 days in the fridge. And all you have to do is just heat it up to serve it again. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Dip of champions, son. Dip of champions. Look at that. My goodness, guys. That's what's up. Look at that. Look at that. You can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Yo, that's all for this time. See you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.